And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can adjust hue and saturation. We use this clip here. I click on the plus sign to have it appear in the timeline. And now you have to make sure that it's highlighted. So if it isn't, you just have to left click on it. And then you can see on the right hand side a couple of options to adjust it. By the way, I use the default layout. And then you can find the adjustment option right here. Scroll a little bit down and you may have to open a drop down for adjustments, but here's hue and saturation, simple sliders, and temperature is basically for cold and warm colors. So in this case, maybe I'll go a little bit colder and then down with the saturation. And this is now what it looks like, and if I uncheck this, this was the original. If you want to go for a warmer tone, let me change these sliders a bit. So it's fairly easy to use that, as you can see the adjustments in real time. And this way you can adjust hue and saturation in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.